Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for May 26th of 2025 is titled Spiral Galaxy NGC 2566 from Webb. So what do we see here? We're going to turn this picture a little and take a look at it. And this is a picture of a spiral galaxy known primarily by its catalog designation of NGC 2566. Now, this is an example of a spiral galaxy, and it may not quite look like that in this image from the James Webb Space Telescope. And what we have to remember is that the James Webb Space Telescope images primarily in the infrared portion of the spectrum, so longer wavelengths than we usually see with our eyes. And what that means is that we're seeing different parts of the galaxy. The infrared light is very good at picking up the dust. So it sees a lot of the dustier or star-forming areas that highlight those spiral arms. And we can see that out towards the outer regions where those are the brightest. Now, of course, what stands out here is that star at the center. Now, that star at the center is actually the center of the galaxy, and the spikes going out actually have nothing to do with the galaxy itself. They are a diffraction pattern caused by the optics of the telescope. And we often see this in many telescopes. We'll get a diffraction pattern and give the stars a cross pattern as they're imaged. And you can see that often with brighter stars in any image. But the James Webb Space Telescope has very distinctive optics and gives a very distinctive pattern. So instead of just an individual cross, it actually has 8 spikes going out from it here. And again, that is just tied into the fact that it is being observed with that telescope. When that distinctive pattern occurs, it means that image was taken with the Webb Space Telescope. Now, this galaxy overall is about the size of our own Milky Way and is very similar in many ways to our own galaxy. And one of the ways we can study our galaxy and learn more about it is to look at other galaxies. And that's because it's very hard to see all of our galaxy because we are stuck inside it, stuck in one portion of that galaxy. So we can see out of ways, but we can't see the entire stretch of our galaxy from our position. We're located well out towards the outer edges of the galaxy, and the areas on the other side of the galaxy from the center are not visible to us. So there are some areas of our galaxy that we really can't map easily from Earth. And we can use other galaxies to try to better understand our own galaxy. So we use this. We look at lots of other galaxies. This is a barred spiral galaxy, much like our own Milky Way. And that helps us to better understand our own galaxy by studying various other similar galaxies. So that was our picture of the day for May 26th of 2025. It was titled Spiral Galaxy NGC 2566 from Webb. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be colorful star clouds. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.